What's going on, everybody? The Germ here, and welcome to Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. This is the third and final part of the videos. We got a couple more coasters to go on, so thanks for joining me. If you're just checking me out for the first time, make sure you subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. First up in this video is Tigress, only a 15-minute wait, not too terrible.
Personas con problemas cardíacos en el cuello, la espalda o alguna otra limitación física que
Tigress was added to Busch Gardens in 2019, has about 1,800 feet of track, has a LSM, which is a launch system, and has a top speed of 60 miles per hour. It was built by Premier Rides. There we go. Oh, we didn't make it all the way up. Uh-oh. Oh no, we're going backwards. Oh my God. This is weird. Awkward. Here we go. Oh my God. Very slow. Very slow. Oh my God. Trim brakes. Oh my. That was a quick ride. That was like 54 seconds, I think. That was really quick. That's a LSM launch system. See those white things right there? I don't know how they work, but that's what makes us go. And man, does that thing go. And that was the most interesting restraint system I've ever seen. Very, very loose. Man, you felt like you were going to fall out of the seat, but we made it. Welcome to Jungla. We're getting to the end, guys. We only got 2 roller coasters to go. Kumba and Scorpion, which are both the park's oldest roller coasters. Kumba from 1993 and Scorpion all the way from the year I was born, the best year of the century, 1980. Heck yeah. I've already bought 2 of these before. I'm not buying any more. Let's see what this one is here. It is a giraffe. Oh, that's cool. It comes with 2. A little baby giraffe, too. I think I bought enough of these. Here's our next one, Kumba. It's right this way. There's the park map, but we don't need a park map because we know it's that direction. Kumba is the second oldest coaster here at Busch Gardens. Built in 1993. Top speed, 60 miles an hour. 135 feet tall, which is pretty tame with today's standards. But a nice track length at 3,978 feet and a nice long ride time, 2 minutes, 54 seconds. I would call that 3 minutes. Kumba. Oh yeah, I remember this one. This one has a really awesome view over here. There's a really cool view that I gotta show you guys. We'll try to get the coaster going through. Says less than 10 minutes. 5 minutes to go on this one? Wow. Look at this. Seems like the later in the day it gets, these ride times are getting better here. I mean, these things are starting out with some intense ride times, and they seem to be going down as we go. one, I gotta say, it was good, but it felt its age, man. Real neck banger. That so far is the roughest coaster here at Busch Gardens. I'm not saying it's bad, it's just rough. It's getting old. We're gonna add a bonus ride in before the last roller coaster. I wonder if you guys can think of what it possibly could be. I don't know. It could be absolutely anything. Anything at all. I do have to say, this is a very pretty park. It's cool walking around, seeing all the different things. By the way, this park has the fuel rod exchange. I did look at it earlier. We don't need one, but if you guys are looking for fuel rods, you can swap them here. It does cost to swap them here. It's $2. Not terrible, but you do have to pay for it. But yeah, it's a cool park. It's very nice to look around.
So how much were the portable chargers?
Those are $2. Well, we do swaps. I think they're $30. Yeah. There's the Grand Carousel right there. Guy was asking me about the portable chargers as we were walking by. So I think it's $30 here for a portable charger fuel rod, and the swaps are $2. Some places they're $2. I think Six Flags are $6 to swap, and there are other parks where they're free. Disney they're free to swap them once you own one. So that's a good thing. They've got carnival games. They got all the classics that you would expect. Surprises here. Well, here it is. This actually might be our last ride because I haven't seen Scorpion going. Do you know, is Scorpion on today, working? I don't think so. This might be our last one, guys. Thank you. All right, we are looking for black diamonds. Black diamonds, wherever they are. Oh. All the way over here. There's the black diamonds. Yeah, the black diamonds. Oh, there we go. They're going up. Going up. Once you go up, there's only one way down. Goes all the way up. So, you know, we're coming to the end of the day here. When I first got here and I parked in the parking lot, there's a bunch of chatty girls, man. They were not listening to their parents, especially one of them. And I remember her real well. I remember her name, at least. I thought I remember what she looked like. And, you know, we were on this one coaster, Cheetah Hut, and they were behind us for hours. And this... Who's Sarah? And her mom was shouting for her, and she wasn't listening. I was like, Sarah! And all of a sudden, she came back. She came back. You guys got on all the rides?
Oh, yeah. Don't worry.
You got a favorite yet or no?
Yeah, probably this ride.
Really? What about Iron Gwazi? Have you done that?
That one.
Cheetah Hunt?
Oh, Cheetah Hunt.
Cheetah Hunt was awesome.
I'm nervous. I'm shaking. I'm shaking.
She said she was going to pee her pants, so I'm not going to sit next to her. she's in the video.
It's for you. It's for you.
All right, we are going to get a good view of the newest ride, Phoenix Rising.
Wait, I'm just kidding. Get me down.
Maybe the next time we come here, that will be open.
Okay. Oh, my bad. Wait, what is that?
That's the new one of them.
Oh, wait.
It's actually in fucking.
Wait.
See all the coasters. You can see Cheetah Hunt all the way back over there.
Oh, wait.
Montu.
Oh, see, that's moving. Can we go on that?
Yeah, but it's like not that much. Oh, look at the elephants, they're big.
All right, here comes the scariest part of this ride in a
I
second.
think I'm peeing.
Almost at the top. And this is where it gets a little frightening. I was surprised. Yes. That is a drop ride, my friends. Yeah. Oh my God.
I'm Busch, so I'm never come to an amusement park again.
So that was Falcons Fury, not your typical drop ride. I remember the first time I went on that with Tampa J, man, and Jenna, and that thing just tips you down. Makes it a little more intense, a little more scary. And I remember when I went on that first time 4 years ago, I wasn't expecting it to point you straight at the ground. Pretty cool. I like this one. One of the best drop rides. Not the best, one of the best. This right here is Scorpion. This was supposed to be our last coaster to go on. Built in 1980, max speed 50 miles per hour. Pretty tame by today's standards, only 60 feet tall, 1,800 feet of track. Built by Schwarzkopf. And actually, nope, they're not testing it. That's something else. It is closed. So we can't make it on all the coasters today. I'm gonna make sure it's closed because I'm not 100% positive. Is it open or closed? It's open? No way! It's been closed, right? It's been closed all day and now it's open?
Yeah, we finally opened up and they're repeating issues, so sorry about that.
Oh, we're gonna go on Scorpion. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
All right, you just made it up. I was just telling everybody we weren't going on this. It was closed.
Yeah, it's amazing, great, right? It's been about since like 1980s.
Yeah, the year I was born. Yep. All right, we're gonna be doing Scorpion. That thing brought me back to 1980. You know, when I couldn't support my neck when I was a baby, you know, the year I was born, you know, when Jimmy Carter was president. Holy crap. That was a rough ride. This one, I'm glad I got to go on it, but it's ready for retirement. You know, 43 years old. Not as bad, I gotta say though, not as bad as Screaming Demon at Six Flags Great Escape. Well, this is the end of our visit here at Busch Gardens in Tampa. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. In this video, we rode 2 coasters, Kumba and Scorpion, the 2 oldest coasters in the park, as well as Falcons Fury. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, all the POVs. Until next time, guys, I am the Germ. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.